Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create board rule automations in Trello. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log into your Trello account and open the dashboard that you want to work on. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the top right of your screen and click right here. A drop-down menu will appear and we're going to click on Automation. After that, click on Rules and then click on Create Automation. Automations in Trello work like this. We're going to first select a trigger, so click on Add Trigger, and then we're given options of what trigger we're going to use, from card changes, dates, checklist, card contents, fields, or card movement. So we're going to select one of these, and after you selected, simply click this button on the right of the choice that you made. And then after, we're going to select an action. Again, click here. Please do note that for one trigger, there could be numerous actions that can be done. And to do that, you're simply going to click on Add Another Action. But if you're done, click on Save. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!